Okay, everyone. So I wanted to do a quick video on using the Canva app. So for those of you who do not know what the Canva app is, it's basically an online graphics editor program where you can create a whole bunch of different files, a lot of pre-made templates, etc. For thumbnails, PDFs, business cards, all graphics of all sorts, right? And there's a series of elements and different things, graphic design elements, etc., texts and fonts that you can use to create specific types of graphics in there for social media, for YouTube, videos, etc., etc. I'm not going to get into all that in this video, but look for that video in my channel here, because I'm going to be doing different Canva tutorials showing you how to do different things in Canva that many of you who are Canva beginners or beginners on Canva may not be aware of. And it's a good tool because it'll save you a lot of time for a low price every month. And they even have a free version that you can mess around with and trial, that use a free trial, I believe. It's a free trial. I don't know. I have a paid subscription, so it's been a while since I've used the free version. But it is a great tool to use, and it'll save you a lot of time, and it's really affordable. So if you're interested, check the link in my description, and that would help me out. And like I said, I'll be putting a series of tutorials out for Canva. But the thing I want to deal with today is if you're creating a PDF file in Canva, because Canva can create PDFs. So a big thing now people are doing is creating ebooks and selling them on Etsy or selling them on Google Books or other ebook platforms in order to make money. PDFs are easy for people to download to their tablets or smartphone devices, and they can get information on all sorts of different topics, right? So again, this is another video that I'll be elaborating on that, on ways that you can make money by creating ebooks and how you can do it quickly and pretty hands-off by using a series of different tools, and you can use it to create passive income online. But that'll be in another video. So subscribe to my channel and look for those videos coming in the near future. What I wanted to show though is that when you do create a PDF file, and if you export it from Canva, so you go into your Canva, you set up your docs, you go into the docs section, you search for if you're creating a new design, you would go to the docs section, and you would create, it would open up a docs file. You would find create a blank docs file, and then you would paste in your information, paste in your text, or write your text in order to create your PDF file for your ebook or for your PDF that you're sharing online. What I found is that when you share it, sometimes I wanted to put in links in this particular ebook. This ebook is for a preschool education website that I started with my wife years ago, and I wanted to have links in there as well that were linking to different websites that we operate and different channels that we operate. And I found that it was creating this type of link here, which was an image, which worked fine, which links fine inside of Canva, but when it's actually exported, it doesn't work. It flattens this graphic and there's no link. These links, these types of links will work. If you have a link like this, it will work when it's exported. But if it embeds the actual image or the video, then it doesn't work. So how you correct that, okay? Because that's important to check before you upload your ebook to a platform, because you don't want to take a bunch of time, put in links and things to direct people back to your website and find out that none of your links work. So that's the problem that I encountered. So the simple fix for that is, if you wanted to add a link like this, let's say it was a YouTube video or something, then you would get the link from YouTube and just simply click down here and you would paste your link here. Okay, I'll show you in a second. But what it was doing is, you can see here, these links right here, it was pasting these in, but when this was exported, the rainbow song, this gray image was flattened and it wasn't linking to anything. So what I did to correct that is I came in here, I clicked on it because I knew this wasn't working in the exported PDF, and then you went up to edit link, and then you'll see your actual YouTube link there, and then it says display mode, title. So it's showing it right now as a title. I'm going to keep it there because I like that look too. But if you go down here, you can see how there's different options. There's the embed option. If I click embed, it's going to change it. I click embed and see it actually tries to embed the screenshot of that particular video. When you export this, this won't work. This won't be an active link. So you need to have a link, your link looking like this with the HTTPS and then the actual URL for the YouTube video, because this will not work when it exports. So if you want to correct it again, you just right click on it, go to edit link. There's the actual YouTube video link. You click on this. I'm going to change it back to title because I like the title. You can see that it shifted everything up. So just one sec here. So just enter. And that's it. So it's got the title here. I'm just doing this because I like it when it's going to export, that this will be here, and then there's the actual link to that song, and then here's the title for this one, and then here's the actual link to that song. So these links will work when they're exported. Okay. Here's another example down here where it did that. So this is set to embed. This is another video that I wanted to show, that I wanted to provide as a resource for people that buy this ebook. So again, I know when I export, this link won't work. So you simply right click on there, edit link, and then you can see it's set to embed. So it's embedded the video thumbnail in here, which is fine inside of Canva. Inside of Canva, it's an active link, but when it's exported as a PDF, it won't work. So you just go down to this, go down to if you want the title, and then you want the active link, but you gotta have the active link for, which is this. You have to have that for it to show up as a actual link that's going to work when it's exported. So there's the link for that video. Okay, so your link formats have to be like this. If they're embedded or they're set to title, when they're exported, when you go up here to share and you go down to download, right, and then you download the PDF as PDF standard, because there's two options. There's PDF standard and there's docx. When you download it as a PDF standard, which is what you want, then when your links are like this, they're going to work. So it's as simple as going to YouTube, grabbing the URL, link for the video, and then just pasting it in. Here, you would just click that, and then you would simply paste in the link from your YouTube video, or the link to your website, or the link to your web page. So yeah, so that's it. So you can try that when you export your PDF if you're having problems with your links showing up. If it's embedding videos, or it's putting titles in like this instead, when they're exported, they won't work. Your links have to be like this. So you would simply go, click on the link, and either go up here and change it from title to link, and then it's going to put this this URL in there, which will be clickable when you export your PDF file, and then you're free to upload it on ebook platforms, Google Books, on Etsy or whatever, for people to buy it, and at least you know your links are going to be working, right? Because you may want to put affiliate links in there. You may want to link them to a web page or link them to your Facebook group or whatever it is. You can then check and make sure that all your links are working correctly before you go and upload it online. Okay, hopefully you found this useful. Be sure to check out the other links, the other videos that I'm going to have, tutorial videos on different softwares that will help you in your business to save time and make things more efficient for you. Okay, thanks.